you are all doing well. In the last video, we discussed theory part of joins and logical operator like. In this video, we discuss practical implementation of that. First, I already wrote every queries, so because it takes more time to write, so I write already everything. I will just explain how it works. First, run the first up to create database, use college, creating tables, everything up to this. What is that error? Create database already exists. Wait, it's showing you. So now once again refresh, then run. Yeah, error. First, I will explain for inner join. This is comment section. Inner. This is comment. Inner section. Inner join. Next, this is you know already syntax for inner join. Select all from table A. Table A means student. This is first table. Inner join, this is second table name, course on student.id, this is column name, course.id column name. If you run this gives output. You see this 103, 104, 105. The IDs which are same in the both tables, 103, 104, 105, 103, 104, 105, name, id, course. This is the output for inner join. Next, what is output for left join? Let's run this. Yeah, you can see it gives output every id, but why this for 101 and 102 id and course is null? Because table student contain 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, but table course it doesn't contain 101 and 102. That's why it's showing null for 101 and 102 id. In this way the left join works. Similarly for right join, yeah, you can see now it's showing null in for null because the right table contain means course contain 103, 104, 105, similarly has 103, 104, 105, but the student table doesn't contain 106 and 107, so it's showing error, not error, null. Next, how our full join works. Full join works, it gives full run this, select all, then run. Yeah, you can see every 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, null. It's showing full left join and right join in the same table. Next, left exclusive. It's showing only rows, the left table that do not any matching rows in that right table, which means left table means student table contains 101 and 102, but right table doesn't contain 101 and 102. That's why it's showing left exclusive means 101 and 102. Similarly for right join, right exclusive join, run. Yeah, 106 and 107 contain in course table, which means table B, but it doesn't contain in table A, in student table. See, 106 and 107 not doesn't contain 106 and 107. Similarly, I think yeah, done. Next, likes in SQL. How likes work? Select all from student where name like name like in student R model as close the single quote. Then run this. Yeah, you can see the names which contain starting from R, Robert and Ramesh. Similarly for R and ending with T, then I think you know the output. Yeah, Robert starting from R, ending from T. Next, similarly ending from H, letter. Yeah, Ramesh and Suresh ending from H. For course in the course table, run this. Doesn't give output. It's because in the course table the column name is not doesn't contain name. Change to course. Yeah, course. Then run. There is no output for ending with H letter, that's why it's null. Give for A ending with A, it gives output Java, I think. Yeah, Java. I already told in the SQL case sensitive doesn't matter. You can write in lowercase or uppercase. I wrote here small letter lowercase a, but it gives output in uppercase Java A. I hope you understood. Similarly, underscore a percentage, which means the course which contains second letter A. Second letter A. First letter is underscore. It can be anything, but second letter is A. Output run this. Same Java. Then on second letter Q. Showing you have any error, SQL syntax error. For I will give Y. Yeah, second letter Y. Python contains second letter Y. It's showing here. I hope you understood, guys, how like logical operator works. Then yeah, you can run one more query like double underscore P. Starting with P is contain at least course length 3. 1, 2, 3. The course length is 3. I think the output is null. No, one output is Python. Course like PYY. Yeah, starting from P, the output is 3. Python. Yeah, okay, guys. Thank you for watching.